Hello guys, so today we're going to be driving a remote control motorcycle. It's right there. Boom, boom. Okay, are you ready? So guys, this can go pretty fast. It also barely turns. Like, it turns like this. So ready? We're going to use some epic tricks with this one. Just look at the wheel. Look at that wheel going that fast. Oh, didn't work. It keeps going in circles. Oh, that's why I'm making it. Ready? And busted. Ready? Here we go. Oh. Hey guys, and it was busted. Ooh. Here we go. Oh, look at that thing go. Into the grass. Where can that go? This. Oh, and almost got back up. Ready? Whoopsies. Yeah. Ready? Gonna pop really. Oh, no. It got stuck on the chair. Oh, it didn't get stuck. Get back on. Woo! Guys, we're gonna drive to the pool. Here we go. Go. Yes, we did it. It crashed. Right there. Kind of something like. Wow. The grass is a bad place for this. Yeah. Look at the wheel go. Come on. Ah, busted. Can you get up? Can you get up from his injury? No, it cannot. But we made it happen. Woo. Come on. It can still go. Well, woo. Got back up on his own. Oh. There you go. And it's coming at me. It was that close. We're going to go backwards and see if we can really go backwards. Nope, got stuck. Hey guys, so thanks for watching this video. Hope you like and subscribe. And hope you have a great day. Peace. Boom, boom.